And now this is an impact of our sting operation. BSP Supremo Mayawati has reacted strongly to India Today's operation Rent a Right. Addressing the media in Lucknow, Mayawati attacked the BJP and the Samajwadi Party, accusing them of false promises and claims that the two parties were busy dividing the society. With the state polls less than a year away, Mayawati warned that the electorate will see through the fraud that's being perpetrated by both the parties, the BJP and the Samajwadi Party.
सपा के नेता और बीजेपी के विधायक तो इन्होंने मिलकर कोई एक षड्यंत्र ऐसा ये लोग रचने के लिए जा रहे हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश में विधानसभा के आम चुनाव होने से पहले तो वहां पर तो सांप्रदायिक दंगे कराए जाएं, तनाव पैदा किया जाए ताकि इसकी आड़ फिर पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में फैल जाए और इसकी आड़ में सपा और बीजेपी तो इसका लाभ उठाना चाहती है, क्योंकि आप लोगों को ये मालूम है कि समाजवादी पार्टी हर मोर्चे पर फेल हो चुकी है और केंद्र की सरकार भी अपने वायदों के मुताबिक हर मोर्चे पर वो फेल हो चुकी है, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने लोकसभा चुनाव के दौरान देश की जनता को और खासकर उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता को जो किस्म किस्म के सपने दिखाए थे वे कोरे सपने ही साबित हो गए हैं। इन दोनों पार्टियों की हालत बहुत ज्यादा खराब है। इन दोनों पार्टियों की सपा और बीजेपी की हालत बहुत ज्यादा खराब है।
Okay, let's get in India Today's Balakrishna on this. Bala, there the Mayawati reacting to Rent a Right sting operation by India Today and launching a fierce attack on both the BJP and the Samajwadi Party.
Yeah, Mayawati reacted very strongly to the sting operation, and she said that now it is clear what is the political agenda of these two parties. She said that in Lok Sabha polls, BJP could manage its particular performance in Uttar Pradesh just because people believe the promises of BJP. But now they have seen that the promises are not being fulfilled. Similarly, she said that the Samajwadi Party government of Uttar Pradesh has nothing new to offer, and the development plans people are not believing. And both these parties are looking for different agendas, so they want to divide the society on communal lines. And she said that this sting operation shows that what is their design for the elections. But she said that the people of Uttar Pradesh are wise enough to read into this and see through this, and they will these parties will not be able to do this.
You know, and this is interesting, a very big, reaction they're coming in from Mayawati, who so far has been not very vocal in the run-up to the assembly polls, Bala. So an interesting comment there coming in from Mayawati, who so far has been leading the so-called silent campaign ahead of the crucial polls in the state.
Definitely, Mayawati speaks rarely, and today when she spoke, she also said about the law and order condition in Uttar Pradesh, and she said that that is the people, it is deteriorating day by day, and now that the sting operation shows that what is the political agenda of these parties. She said that Samajwadi Party is protecting the goons, and this sting operation, she said that it has clearly shown what is the political agenda of these parties.
Absolutely, Balakrishna there. Thank you so much for joining us.